When I made this video, I realized later that I had accidentally told you the wrong information. The top that I'm wearing in the video is actually the Alana top, and that one is $20.99. This was bought separately from the Mystery Tops bundle. I only received 3 tops in the mystery bundle and only 3 dresses in the dress bundle. I hope this clears things up. Sorry for the confusion. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks. Hi, and it's nice to see you all here. This is a one-off FabFitFun style thing. I don't typically do FabFitFun style, but I have received a handful of pieces from FabFitFun that are part of their styling thing whenever I've ordered like add-ons. Whenever there's a box that's getting ready to be shipped to me, you can do the big add-ons thing, and everybody loves add-ons. In the past couple of months to year, they've actually had quite a few clothing items on the list of items you can purchase, and they're usually a pretty good deal, and they're not very expensive. And everything I've received from them so far has been pretty nice quality. I have yet to receive something from them and despise it or think it's horrible. So I decided to take a chance with this last, it was like the edit sale. So I didn't order an edit box, but I went ahead and did some of the add-ons, and they had these mystery bundles. They were called like the summer dress mystery bundle, the summer tea mystery bundle, the summer top mystery bundle, Sunday fun day mystery bundle. And I didn't order all of the different mystery bundles, but I went ahead and tried for 2 separate mystery bundles. And that's what I'm reviewing today, are those items. Now, unlike my Stitch Fix reviews, I'm not going to be doing the twirl around, show off everything about them, because what I'm receiving, I think everybody else who received the mystery bundles also had the same items, so it wasn't like it was just specifically tailored to me. So I went ahead and just put this together as quickly as possible, just so you guys could see what was in the bundles. That way, in the future, if you're interested in ordering one of their set of mystery bundles, you might be interested in doing so. I found them to be quite successful, so I'm going to definitely try again in the future to order their mystery bundles. And anyway, so this is just my experience with it. You will, however, see to my right, like a little view of the outfit or the piece. It's tops and dresses. You'll see them close up. I'm actually wearing one of them, which is the one I'll start with. But first, I'll go ahead and tell you what I did. So I believe that they were $30 for each bundle. It may have been $40. I'll have to look up the price, and I'll put it right here. Both of the bundles, I believe, are the same price, but if I'm wrong, I'll also put that right there. The one I ordered, the mystery top bundle, size medium. I went ahead with the medium, even though I typically wear a small on top, because if my past experience lets me know anything, the top may fit great here in a small, but because I've got larger hips, I definitely need a medium, and a lot of times these tops run longer, and so I typically want something that's going to skirt over my hips as opposed to clinging to them. The dresses, though, this mystery summer dress bundle that I ordered, I went out with a small because I figured I'd take the chance. If a small up top on the dress doesn't fit me well enough, it looks horrible, it looks misshapen, because I'm so small up top and bigger on bottom. And a lot of times dresses have a natural flare to them, so I took a chance on it, and then figured whatever didn't fit me, I would go ahead and give to someone in my life who is a size smaller and could wear them. So I received 4 items with the summer mystery top bundle, and I received 3 items with the summer mystery dress bundle. They even offered to, they put on the invoice how much it all ended up equaling. So it was like, let me show you again. Let's just do this because I probably didn't. So right there are all the different items and then how much they valued each at. And based on the brands, I actually think that these are probably fairly accurate. So I am going to go ahead and start with the tops. And the tops include the Alana Flutter Sleeve Floral Top, which is the one I believe I'm wearing. They say this one is valued at $20.99. The next one is a Sloan Floral Print Peplum Top. That is $49.99. The Veronica Lace Yolk Sleeve Top, $49.99. and the Olivia sleeve printed top with tie neck. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the one I'm wearing. The Olivia sleeve printed top with tie neck. This one is $49.99. Okay, so this one here, like I just said, is the Olivia sleeve printed top with tie neck. Okay, and so this neck is really cute. I love the little tie here. It's a really pretty print. It's an Asian style print. It has these pretty little lace at the sleeves, and then the lace that creates the seam between the sleeve and the actual bodice, and then it just flares out. And in my photos that I took of myself wearing them, you'll see how it flares out over my hips. I am wearing them currently with a pair of navy shorts, but they look super cute with the little navy and white striped ones that I'm wearing in the photo as well. They can also be, this could be tucked into a skirt, and it is versatile enough that I could wear it year round. So I'm wearing it clearly as summer today. But in the winter time, I just put a skirt on and a pair of tights, and then if I need to, a cardigan, and I'm set to go. It has a lot of interest. This one is by Collective Concepts, and Collective Concepts is actually a brand that I see in Stitch Fix, and it's high quality. So I actually believe that this is a very high quality item, considering it's part of a 4-pack that I got for, I believe, $30 or $40. So that's pretty incredible. And this top is definitely going to stay in my closet for a long time. This particular color pink isn't the best shade of pink on me, but I like the different colored florals together. I think they suit my frame and look very nice on me. So next up is the, let's go ahead and do this one. This is the Skies Are Blue Alana Flutter Sleeve Floral Top. So Skies Are Blue, again, another brand from, I got them in Golden Tote, but I also got them in Stitch Fix. It's really beautiful because it has a tie neck just like the one I'm wearing, but it has a border print. So at the bottom, it becomes florals, but at the top, it's this abstract, almost like an animal print on top. And it's lined because it's a very sheer top. Underneath it has the lining. Both of these are definitely polyester, but they're very well made. This one is less versatile because it is sleeveless. However, in the wintertime, sometimes it's easier to layer sleeveless under a cardigan as opposed to something like this. However, I don't believe I would tuck this into a skirt because I really love the idea of showing off this gorgeous border print. And on me, you can see that it's also very cute, just paired with a pair of shorts. But you can imagine maybe with a pair of jeans or a nice pair of slacks and then a jacket or a cardigan, it could also look good in the fall and winter. This one is retailed at $21. I suspect, though, it's $20.99 because it was on clearance or something. Because I think this would have probably retailed for a little bit more based upon the brand. The next one is the Veronica Lace Yolk Sleeve Top. Oh, just give me 2 seconds. Sorry, the plumber came by and he's still here. He's getting all his gear and gonna work downstairs. So hopefully the noise isn't too loud that you guys can't hear me. All right, the next one is a size medium again. It's the Hazel brand. And this is the lace yoke top, Veronica Lace Yoke Sleeve Top. And if you look up here, it has lace as the yoke itself on both the front and on the back. And it's lined, it's not lined, excuse me, but it's made from this beautiful kind of stretchy navy fabric. It is also a poly, but it's like a crepe. So that's why it's able to stretch like this. This one looks super cute on as well. I really like this one with the navy and white shorts. I think it's a cute pairing. And this one is the only one of the bunch that I wish I had bought in a size small because I feel like it fits me a little bit large in the medium. But that's okay because sometimes you want something that's a little bit more loose with a more fitted bottom. So I would just wear them with like skinny jeans. In fact, a pair of white skinny jeans, which I just got from Stitch Fix. Might be a cute one. The Hazel brand I don't know much about, but I suspect they're one that shows up in these subscription type boxes. It is a high quality item and one that I'll definitely be wearing in the future. So, all right. Next up, I have the Olivia's, oh sorry, that was This is a Sloan floral print peplum top. This is $49.99. This was the only one that didn't strike me right away as summer, barring of course the print, because the print is very lovely and bright and fun, but it also has a tinge of fall to it because the roses themselves are kind of a rusty mustardy color. And this one is by Collective Concepts as well, the same as this shirt here. It does have a slight peplum at the bottom, but nothing that's exaggerated. So it doesn't nip in at the waist and then go straight out. It is a more straight, and then it has a little flare at the hips. This one fits beautifully. Like this one, it has this sort of hem stitching or seam binding that creates this beautiful ladder. Very nicely put together. It does have buttons at the front, and they do unbutton if I feel so inclined, but I probably wouldn't. I like the way it looks buttoned up. It has an elastic at the bottom. This one is definitely worth the $49.99, and was very excited to see it in my bag. Out of all these, my daughter, she looked at all of them and thought they were all really cute. This was the only one she didn't like as much, and I think it's because she just doesn't like the colors or maybe the floral design, but she looked at all four and thought, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I would love to have ones just like that, Mama. So maybe one day she'll get some of these. She has to still be a little bit bigger. Her favorite thing though was one of these dresses, and the dresses are retailed at all three of them, $59.99. And I can definitely see it with them in some ways, but I almost think these tops are a little bit more carefully constructed and more interesting than the dresses, but I do love the dresses. And surprisingly, all three fit me, which I did not expect because of my frame being smaller up top and larger on the bottom. I will go ahead and start with this floral number. This is the Alana Flutter sleeve wrap dress. So a second item in here with the name Alana. Alana Flutter sleeve wrap dress is without an H, but the Alana Flutter sleeve floral top is with an H. This one was super short on me, but because it's so like flaring at the bottom, it actually looks okay. This one is by Love Stitch. Again, I don't know this brand very much, but it is adorable and cute. This one has a very interesting design. You can tell it's a wrap, and it obviously, you take this bit and you connect it to this bit here, sorry, and then it ties at the waist, and then what occurs is, oh wait, hold on. Oh no, I'm sorry. This bit ties to this bit, sorry. So there's a tie on the inside that ties to this, creating the support that holds the skirt up. And then once this is tied up, then you tie out the outer sleeve, the outer seams, the outer wrap belt thing. And it together creates this adorable dress. And it is short, but it is lined on the bottom, which is a nice added touch. I know this is a fairly difficult sew. It takes a while to put all the different pieces together. And I think they did a good job in sewing it. Do wish it was a touch longer, but again, it's something that can be worn in summer and be adorable. It's got these cute flutter sleeves. So very cute. Really love the design. I love the pattern a lot. So I tell you, there's always something going on at this house. I want COVID to end because I'm getting annoyed at all the private time I'm losing out on. I used to be able to make videos with no one around me, but not anymore. All right, the next one is, I dropped the receipt, the invoice, is the, I'm gonna go ahead, it's the Elaine Kubrow ribbed wrap dress. It's black. I do not have, I really don't like the color black. I don't think it even looks good on me. However, I will say the skies are blue Kubrow wrap dress kind of looks okay on me. Now, it's not one I'd wear very often, but I could do it for, obviously, if it's a more solemn reason, like if there's a funeral I need to attend, or if it's something more formal, but it's still business-like, this would be something I could wear with a beautiful necklace. It's long. It's a great piece for work. It's just a very basic black rib. It has a touch of stretch Okay, so nothing super stretchy, but stretchy enough. It is a, I believe, a faux wrap. No, I think, yeah, no, it's a faux wrap. So the wrap just is attached like this with a tie here. Okay. And it is Skies Are Blue, which again I know is a lovely brand. This is made from Kubrow it's modal and polyester, so it's super soft. Anyway, so as you can see, it fits me just fine. It's a size small. Didn't have any worry about it being too large in the hips, and I was worried about it, or too small in the hips, and it wasn't. Okay, so I'll go ahead and end with the one that I thought was adorable. So last year for Halloween, I went as Margot Tenenbaum from the Royal Tenenbaums for my Halloween outfit. I'll put a picture of it here. I did a pretty good job, and it was really exciting. I had bought the dress from Kohl's. It was like 10 bucks. It was from their junior section. I bought the fur coat from Target. You know, I just put together this last minute costume. So when I received this dress, I was like, oh, it's a Margot Tenenbaum dress. So I was really excited. This is the Kristen striped mini dress. It's from the brand Fate. Again, don't know about this brand, but look at how cute this is. It is very fitted though. Oh my goodness. So I definitely have to stay in the particular shape I am in order for this to fit me. It's got a beautiful, like, little bit of gold threading through there, which is gorgeous. And on the bottom, there is one unfortunate thing, and I think it's something that can just come out of the wash, but a little smudge of dirt, I don't even know if the camera can pick it up, but a little smudge of dirt ended up on the bottom left-hand side. But as you can see from my photo, it's definitely fitted. It looked okay from the back. I mean, you know, you can clearly see I have curves, but it's nothing that looks terrible. So I'm very much excited about wearing this. And I think this will look super cute in the winter time with a pair of tights. So I'm going to definitely wear it in the summer, but I'm also going to wear it in the winter. So just so you know, this was a success, and this was my daughter's favorite. She loved this because she loves striped dresses, and she's like, ooh, I want that one. More than likely, this is the one I would give to her fastest because it would fit her. Like when she's like 15 or 16, she'll probably look really cute in it, and I'll be at that point more than happy to give it to her. So you're not going to see much from me when it comes to FabFitFun. Tons of people do FabFitFun stuff. All I noticed is that nobody was doing these mystery bundles. There was like one person. And so I thought, well, I should just give it a shot. I like the stuff they're sending out because a lot of it is things I had gotten either from Stitch Fix or when Golden Tote existed from Golden Tote. So I wanted to let you know that take a chance on it. But if you're not sure of your sizing, I would say size up, or have someone in your life that if it doesn't fit you, you can give it to them. All right, well, I hope this helps some of you decide whether or not this was going to be what you would like to do. And if so, maybe give it a shot the next time one of these big mystery bundles come around. All right, you all have a great day. Bye. Oh, wait, I'm not gonna say bye yet. If you like what you're seeing and you wanna see more of it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you have content, I'm gonna subscribe back. All right, now I'll officially say goodbye. Bye.